Hey guys, we love going on day trips by train and discovering new destinations and using our family and friends railcard saves us so much money on tickets. Today we decided to go to
Bath! Come along and explore with us!
Let's do it!
Hi guys, today we're going to Bath. We're taking the train from Slough to Reading, then Reading to Bath.
Is that the train going?
Yeah?
Yeah. Are you...
We want the train to go like this.
So we've now arrived in Bath. Come with us while we show you around.
Let's play the game again.
Yeah. The old bridge. Then stop.
The shower. Oh wait, this is the bed. Oh wait, I haven't even picked up the phone yet. Make it dog. Totally stuff.
We've just got back from our train trip to Bath. That was so much fun discovering a new destination by train, wasn't it?
Yes.
We totally recommend getting a family friends railcard to save money on your train tickets this summer.